How to post on Threads. Hi there, in this video we will learn how you'll be able to post a new thread here on this new application Threads by Instagram. So first of all, you just open the application and you can just click the icon here on the middle. This is where you will be able to create a new thread. So you can either type in your thoughts and ideas, and you can also attach files, photos, or videos into your new thread that you will be creating here. And if you want to create a thread here, you can just simply click on add a thread at the bottom and you'll be able to post the thread or the new thread that you have created here on Threads by Instagram. And when you go to your profile, you'll be able to see the thread that you've recently posted. You can react to it, you can add comment, you can repost, you can add code, or you can even send it through a direct message to one of your followers or one of your friends. And that's basically it. That's how you will be able to post on Threads. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.